right, guys, so today is another unboxing. It is another coat liquidation unboxing. I will link the last video in this series above and put links down below for the whole one. But as I said in the first video, I made a liquidation order of 200 coats, which they have been slowly sending me. This is actually the third batch. So this is really coats 100 to 150, right? Yeah, so I filmed 1 to 50, then I got 50 to 100 a few weeks later. I did not film myself unboxing that because it was late, I was tired, but I wanted to open the box. I am gonna go back and make a video of what I got. I just haven't done that yet. And these came today and I wanna unbox them and I'm gonna make this video. So as I said before, I'm not gonna be telling you where I got these. You know, do some Google research. You can find liquidation on your own. So, but these coat lots rounded out to about $18 a piece this time around. If you'll notice, I am in my garage. That is because I don't have any room for these upstairs. So I'm just gonna open them in the garage because that's where they shall be for quite a while. You know, that's the reality of my situation right now. And I'm opening this up with, I think, a paint scraper because, you know, I don't have a box cutter. I'm not legit. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and dive in and let's see what I got in this box. Don't knock that over. That would be bad. Okay, I think I got that. Nope, that's different. Okay, never mind. All right, first up we have Kinsey, which is not exciting. I believe that's a Nordstrom house brand. It is a nice coat. It is a white quilted like snow jacket. It's really nicely made. Maybe Kinsey's not a Nordstrom house brand. Oh, well, this retailed for $250, so I could be wrong. I don't know what the resale value is on this brand, but it did retail for a lot. Is it faux fur? Yes, it is faux fur. Check out my last one to realize why I need to look at that now. It has a removable hood, so that's cool. And it is a size large, so I'm not mad about it. Is it the best? No. Am I mad? No. Okay. I have no idea what this brand is. See the Resell. I have no idea. Retail for $79. No idea. Never heard of this. It is just a jean jacket. Kind of looks like a Levi's, but more distressed. It was lighter weight too. So yeah, it's got a lot of distressing. I'm gonna assume it's supposed to. So yeah, what size is this? Is this a size, tell me? Size small. All right, I did just sell the Levi's jacket, like ex-boyfriend trucker jacket that I got in my first lot. So that's cool. Topshop. I do get a lot of Topshop in these boxes, which not the best, but it's okay. US size 2. This is an animal print faux fur. Oh, it's got pink. It's got like a pink shawl here up top. Is that a hole? I will kill someone. No, it's not. I won't kill anyone either, but it's not a hole. All right, let's see. Is this Levi's? Yes, it is Levi's. It is a size small. It is a corduroy, like inside, like the inside is shearling. That's nice. It's a female. It's a female. It is a woman's. You know, this is interesting because the tag like this to me looks like it came from like Sam's or Costco. And this is supposed to be a Nordstrom. So it did retail for $150, so there's that. But yeah, anyway, we'll see. Okay, next is Halogen, which is a pretty expensive brand. They sell at Nordstrom $170 for this. It is just like a lightweight raincoat, which I'm okay about getting that because, you know, I'm gonna list these because I don't want them to just sit here, but they probably won't sell until fall, especially like or winter, you know, the snow jacket. So anything lighter I can list now and then might sell. Size 2, $150. It is Topshop again. And I think it's a faux leather trench coat. Yep, that's what it is. Black. All right. You stay there. All right. I have my pajama bottoms on, by the way. I put this on as like my nicer top to wear, even though I didn't like putting any makeup on. And I realized, like, looking at this, it looks like I'm wearing a scrub top. I'm not a nurse or a doctor or a pharmacist. I just have a scrub top on, apparently. All right, size extra small, BP. I don't know why I'm saying the sizes first. It is a jean jacket with a shearling interior as well. Okay, so far, not the best boxes that I've gotten. I mean, it's not terrible. It's not like not the best. Okay, next up we have noise. I do like to say that. Noise, I have no idea. I get this box. I get this coat. I get this brand in these liquidations a lot. And I've got to say, I've not had much luck with it, even if the pieces are cute. The last time I got that noise, it was a kid's. I thought it was female's. I thought it was a woman's, but it is a kid's size. This retailed for $230. It's called the Nora, so I'm assuming it's female. Oh, look. Female. Women's. What the hell? All right. Cruelty free. Well, that's nice. So I'm assuming fake fur. Just kind of a ski jacket. I mean, it's very substantial. And perhaps, what did I say, size medium. So that's pretty good. So maybe it'll do really good in the winter, fall. Ooh. You know, it's funny. So when a box doesn't seem that good, you really think that they like throw you a bone in. So you expect to at least get one really good item. And they did not disappoint. Here is an Isabel Marant blazer. I think it's linen. Might be wool. Not sure. It's kind of itching, so maybe it's wool. Of course, it is new tags. Everything here is supposed to be new tags. This retailed for $1,200. Are you nutballs? Are you serious? Who has that kind of disposable income? And can I be friends with these people? I would have said married, but I am happily married, so. Wow. Oh, it has the sensor tag on it, but this one's usually easy to remove. Sometimes I have difficulty with other ones. I do have like a strong magnet, and then I also have one of the sensor tag removers that, you know, we're not supposed to be able to get, but you can. All right. This jacket is linen and silk and viscose. It's viscose or viscose? What do we think? So anyway, this is super nice, obviously. I'm trying to find the size. Is it a 40? It says 44. So is it like European sizing? Yeah, 44. So it looks like that's a larger size, right? So that's great. I got this coat the last time, which is great because I can just sell similar. Size medium. It's Treasure and Bound, which you will get a lot in liquidation if it's Nordstrom. But, you know, I don't mind getting that brand so much. I'd rather get it than BP. So, yeah. So this is Lucky Brand. It is just a green quilted jacket. Not mad about that. Size medium. Retails for $110. I mean, Lucky Brand is a very, you know, recognizable brand. People look for it. So I'm excited about that. Kenneth Cole, size large. So, you know, not things I would pick up in the thrift store. I mean, less than they were like $5, but, and new tags. It did retail for $210. You know, it's kind of crazy the stuff, what they retail for and what you can resell it for. You know, that would be like a classic coat though, for like a gift. Ooh, this looks nice. What are you? He's nice looking. Oh, it's Guess. That's surprising. Guess. But like, I love it. Like a burgundy. And it's, what is that? Is that like the military, yeah, style? Yeah, with the military buttons. And then the lining is this like floral. This is really pretty. Does Guess make really nice clothes? I can only think of like 90s Guess, which I guess if it was that, it would have done well. $250 to say size. It is a large, yeah. You know, so that's really nice. I have no reason to wear that ever. I live in Savannah, which is South Georgia. Right now it's probably 100 degrees. The winter time, you know, it does not get cool enough for me to want to wear a jacket. I could probably get rid of all of my jackets. I still have them in case we move. All right, Kenneth Cole, size 8. This is like a classic, very chic, like sophisticated coat. So this might do well. I bet it retailed for a lot too. And I can feel the wool. It is itching. So it has got partially wool in that. I know it does. Okay, throwing that back there. What are you? Your Halogen. Okay, I think that was that same black Halogen coat. Halogen is another house brand that I'm okay about getting. That was also a 3X, so that's pretty good. Okay, I get this brand a lot, Helly Hansen, which I know is very popular where athletic people live, but like outdoorsy people live, but I don't see it ever here. No, that has to be faux. They would never. Yeah, anyway. So just a snow jacket, very nice. Hopefully that'll do well in the winter. I mean, you know, it's decent. It's a decent box. This is just Nordstrom, but it is a puffer vest, so this should do well. It's a black puffer vest. You know, a friend of mine was looking for a puffer in some of my old liquidation. I might actually get that for her, so win-win. Okay, Aster the label. I'm sorry, is that a stain or the light? I can't tell. I think it's the light. $89. I don't mind getting this brand. It can do well. Just a lightweight linen blazer. So I could list that now. Okay, Cole Haan, size medium. It is kind of a gray. Is this gray or tan? The light is really throwing me off in here. It has like a cinched waist. That's a nice jacket. So I expect a lot of these to do really well for like Christmas gifts. So I really love liquidation, like to really buy it around, let's say October, start listing in November, because if you've been really selling for a while, or if this is your first year, good to know, and you might already know that Christmas time tends to be slower for used clothing just because people are buying gifts and they normally buy new tags items for gifts. So actually the first time I ever, you know, dabbled in liquidation, it was that specific time period because I wanted new tag stuff. And I do really well, especially with jackets around that time. All right, this is a really cool Levi's pink jacket. It's a size large too, right? Yeah. Faux leather. I'm like positive it's faux leather. It's gonna look, but positive. Yeah, polyurethane. So faux leather, but it's cute. Very pink lady. We can be grease in that. Oh, look at a blue one. Oh, yeah, it's the same jacket and a blue and a bright blue. Whew. Yeah, like both of those. Oh my God, does Nordstrom sell this brand? You guys, look at that. St. John. Wow, I find St. John occasionally, usually older pieces. Look at that. That's nice. That's a nice little blazer. What did you retail for? It's retail for $1,900. Oh my God. What? I mean, it was on clearance. The lowest clearance was $568. You know, this might be the best box. Just, I mean, there's some good medium pieces and then there's some outstanding pieces. Halogen, that jacket again, 2X. That's pretty awesome. I mean, I don't know. No, I think it will do pretty well, but that's cool. Anyway, Rag & Bone corduroy mustard jacket. This is nice. This is a really good color. Really could be a shacket more than anything, as they like to say, which, You know, maybe I missed the shacket trend because I know some resellers are like, oh, put the word shacket in and it sells so quickly. Well, I had a lot of shackets this year and they did not sell for me, so. ATM. I was going to say, isn't that an expensive brand? Yeah, Anthony Thomas. Yeah, I've gotten this in other types of liquidation, not from this company. So far, it has not done well for me, but God, it retails for a lot. $325 for this hoodie. Like this ombre hoodie. $325. I wonder if the Real takes this brand. Okay. Well, that was 25 coats. That was 25 amazing coats. Well, they weren't all amazing. That was about 20 amazing coats. That was about 5 amazing coats. That was about 15 medium coats and 5 meh coats. That's what we're gonna say. That's actually accurate. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this box. I'm gonna go ahead and film the other one, unboxing it. So pretty excited now to look and see what that looks like. Anyway, leave me a comment down below. And if you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can come back and see more of my videos. Bye.